I'm here with two companies, and I'm going to show you what Toyota has over what Honda cannot do. And we have asked at the Honda site, well, what do you do when somebody's going to take your signal from the fob? So this is a good way to, protect your fob from battery wearing out. And it's very simple. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. When you get near the car, your fob is communicating to the car. You simply press the button. It locks and unlocks the door. You could do the same thing by pressing the button of the fob, and somebody now has your signal. So in order to prevent somebody from taking your signal, you're going to watch the LED while, very simple, hold the lock, press twice the unlock button. Now I can't get into my car. I could use the key in order to get into the car. That is simply by releasing and placing in. In order to now get your fob to correctly work, all you got to do is just press one of the buttons. Then your fob now will open and close the door. So let's go see what Honda can or cannot do. We're going to do the same thing we did with the Toyota to the Honda. We're going to press the button and twice press the button. Now we're going to go to the door and do that again. Press the button while pressing the unlock twice. And then we're going to try to grab the handle. It just does not work. Maybe there is another sequence of button presses. And who knows, maybe press the unlock and then the lock twice. And see if we could do that. Nah, not at all. So there you have it. A good way to deactivate your Toyota control. I hope this video was helpful to somebody out there. And thank you very much for viewing. Have a great day, everybody.